Evaluating CreditSaint credit tips requires a thorough understanding of personal finance and credit management. To start, it is essential to know what CreditSaint is and what it offers. CreditSaint is a credit repair company that provides tips and advice on how to improve credit scores. The first step in evaluating CreditSaint credit tips is to assess the credibility of the source. Look for reviews and testimonials from existing customers to gauge the effectiveness of their advice. It is also crucial to verify if the company is registered with the relevant authorities and has a good track record. Next, evaluate the tips themselves. CreditSaint provides advice on how to dispute errors on credit reports, how to pay bills on time, and how to reduce debt. Assess each tip based on its relevance to your financial situation and goals. For example, if you have errors on your credit report, CreditSaint's advice on how to dispute them may be valuable. Another critical aspect to consider is the cost. While CreditSaint offers free advice, some of its services may require a fee. Evaluate the cost of these services and compare them to other credit repair companies. It is essential to ensure that the cost is reasonable and that the services provided are worth the investment. Best practices for evaluating CreditSaint credit tips include doing your research, being cautious of scams, and seeking professional advice if needed. It is also essential to be patient and persistent, as improving credit scores takes time and effort. In conclusion, evaluating CreditSaint credit tips requires a thorough assessment of the source, the tips themselves, and the cost. By following these steps and best practices, you can make informed decisions about your credit management and improve your financial well-being. Remember to always prioritize your financial goals and seek professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of credit repair.